Welcome to the SuiteMatrix YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of SuiteQL. Whether you're new to NetSuite or looking to enhance your reporting capabilities, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll introduce SuiteQL, guide you through setup, and provide a demo to get you started. You'll have a solid understanding of how to use SuiteQL to query your NetSuite data more effectively. What is SuiteQL? SuiteQL is a powerful tool that lets you query NetSuite data using SQL syntax, offering more flexibility and efficiency than standard saved searches for advanced reporting and analysis. Next, there are several ways to access SuiteQL. Using the SuiteQL Suitelet. This is a custom Suite script that provides a user-friendly interface for writing and running SuiteQL queries directly in NetSuite. Through the REST API. SuiteQL queries can be executed via the SuiteTalk REST web services. API using token-based authentication. This allows you to run queries from external applications like Postman with Suite Analytics Connect. If you have the Suite Analytics Connect ODBC driver, you can use it to connect your BI tools like Power BI or Tableau directly to NetSuite and run SuiteQL queries. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the SuiteQL tool in NetSuite. To install the SuiteQL tool in NetSuite, first create a Suitelet script. Navigate to Customization, Scripting, New, where you'll upload the JavaScript file for the SuiteQL tool by clicking the plus icon. On the File page, select the file you wish to upload. You can generate PDFs from NetSuite using the SuiteQL query tool. Give it a descriptive file name and click Save. After saving, click on Create Script Record. This action will bring you to the script page where you can configure the script settings. NetSuite will automatically recognize the script type based on the file you uploaded. Name the script SuiteQL tool. Assign a custom ID if desired, and save the record. Next, you need to deploy the script. Click Deploy Script, which will take you to the deployment page. Follow the standard deployment process, including assigning an ID and checking all necessary boxes in the Audience tab. In the Links tab, specify where the SuiteQL tool will be accessible within NetSuite by selecting the appropriate center, section, and category. For example, you might choose Classic Center, set the section to List, and create a custom category with a label that makes it easy to find. Click Save to complete the deployment. Once deployed, you can access the SuiteQL tool either through the URL provided on the deployment page, or click the Home icon, or by navigating to Lists. Custom SuiteQL from the home page. Yes, we have successfully installed the SuiteQL tool in NetSuite. We can see that the SuiteQL Query Tool page displays SuiteQL Query Tool version 2021.2 by Tim Dietrich below the title because we uploaded the PDF file. You can now utilize the tool to enhance your SuiteQL queries and streamline your data operations. And that's a quick introduction to SuiteQL. We've covered the basics, setup, and some example queries to get you started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the SuiteMatrix channel for more NetSuite tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy querying with SuiteQL.